This is the video for section 9.2, transformations. And what transformations are is a vector. It's really a direction that they're giving you. So this would be a movement on the x values, and this is a movement on your y values. What does that mean? That means that for this order pair, you're going to add 2, which would give you 4, and add a 3, which would give you 4 for the new order pair. So let's plot 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from this point, this is saying that you move 2 to the right, 1, 2, and then 3 up, 1, 2, 3. And either way, you're going to get the correct order pair and the correct transformation. Let's take a look. If it's negative, that means that we would just subtract 2 to the x and add 3 to the y. So subtract 2 and add 3. That means your new order pair is negative 2 minus 2 is 0, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So the new order pair is 0, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look. If it's negative, it wants to go to the left 2, 1, 2, and up 3, 1, 2, 3. And just like we said, that is the correct transformation. I'm not going to plot the rest of the points because I think you understand, but I will get the new order pair. This one would mean that you are moving 2 in the positive direction on the x-axis and down on the y-axis. That means your new order pair would be 4, negative 2. And then for this one, it would be subtracting on both. So minus 2 for the x values and minus 3 for the y values. And this point would be 0, negative 2. For your homework, on your homework, what the first 2 problems mean is that if you take this point, you want to kind of move it this direction. So you want to move it up and over about that much. That means that this point would be A prime. You're going to do the same thing to all the points to get the new transformation. And so similarly, if you had this point right here, you're trying to go the same direction and the same length as vector B. And that means your y prime is approximately right here. And you're just going to do the rest of those points. For these, I would like for you to graph all of the points and then write what t prime, u prime, w prime, and x prime, or the transformation of all the points would be before you graph it. And I do want the originals and the transformations graphed. On the last 3 problems, this is what we're doing. I would select just one point on the graph, and you're trying to go from figure 1 to figure 2. So remember, it is the movement from the x values. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4 on the positive direction. So we're going to leave it as positive 4. And then we still have to move 1, 2 up. So that's 2 up in your y direction. And that's how the answers would be.